Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today also the continuation of the books from Emil Agrawal, Maths Class 9 Indices. Okay, the continuation of the process. Previous all the videos we just discussed the different type of sum. Today also discuss a different type of sum. Here is the sum number 1. Suppose here just I copy the sum, root 2 square, suppose a sum 2 square into root of this is 4 and this is 256 the sum divided by cube root, this is the cube root, this is 64 and this is here is minus half bracket half to the power minus 2. Just I rub this here. This is all the sums from Emil Agrawal class 9. I just solve this here. Okay. So this sum is this. Just I repeat. Square root of 2 square into the 4 under the root 256. This is cube root 264 minus half to the power this. Now this is the sum. No problem. Okay. So first you this one. Suppose this is the main line. This is 2 square and this is half. 2 square into this under the root, that means you know always 1 by, and this is under the root 256 to the power 1 by 4, no problem. And here is 64 to the power, this is 1 by 3. You already know this. Under the root means always 1 by. Under the root means always 1 by. Okay. So this is square root, so half. This is square, 2 square. This is half. This is 256. This is 1 by 4. 64 1 by 3. And this is no, sorry, here is not minus. Here is subtraction. So here is this half, this is half and this is minus 2. Just you reverse it and this is the positive side. So 2 to the power 1 by 2. So this is reverse 2 and this is minus 2. You just get the plus 2. Okay, no problem. Don't be panic. Now this is you cut. Now ultimate this answer is 2. And now this is 256. Here is 4. 256. Actually 256 means 16 into 16. 16 into 16 to 54. And this is 4 square. And this is also 4 square. That means actually 4 to the power 4. You write here 4. Why? This is 4 here. 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 here. And this is 64. You know 4 into 4 into 4. Into 1 by 3, and this is already this is minus 2 here. So now this is cut, okay. So this is ultimately 2 into 4 by 4 minus 2. So this, so actually 2 minus 2, the answer is 0. Look, this is 2 square. Oh, this is 2 square. So 2 2s are 4. This is minus 2. This is the answer. No problem. Don't be panic. In this way you solve the sum. Okay. The calculation must be okay. For that the answer will be right. Here is 2 square. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So this is the maths. Okay. So student, this is the very important thing. Just to understand the process, the formula must be rightly proper in place and do the sum properly. The calculation must be right. Okay. Now repeat the sum here. Suppose square root of 2 square, this is under the root 4, 256 this. So what is your main target? So first this is 2 square you write and this is under the root 1 by 2. No problem. 256, this is 1 by 4. 64 under the root 1 by 3. Okay. And this is half and minus. So just you reverse 2 square. Now this is cut. So you write here 2. Now 256 here is 4. 256 actually 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 to the power 4, 1 by 4. Cut off, this is ultimate 4. 64, 4 into 4 into 4. 4, 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. 4 to the power 3, 1 by 3. So, and this is minus 2 here. Now, this is ultimately 2 into 4 by 4, and this is, I don't write here 2 square, this is 2 square. This is 2 square, you write. So, this is 2 square, okay. So, 4, 4 cut. So, 2 minus 2 square, 4, that means minus 2, okay. So, in this way, you solve the sum, okay. Now, the next sum. Okay. So, I just show you the different pattern. Don't be panic. In all the sums are from the ML Agrawal, different pattern. You just understand this, okay, properly. Then you solve the sum automatically. Now here one sum is, here is the main line. This is 3 to the power, okay. Here is 3 to the power minus 6 by 7. Just you see, okay, no problem. 3 to the power minus 6 by 3 into, this is 4 to the power, this is minus 3 by 7, no problem. Now this is 9, very interesting sum, 9 to the power 3 by 7, and this is into 2 to the power 6 by 7. This is a sum, okay, no problem. This is a sum, just I write this one also. 2 square, this is plus 2 to the power 0, and this is plus 2 to the power minus 2. This is the total sum. You solve it, okay. So now first, here is just if this is 3, 9 is changed to the base of 3. So here is starting 3 to the power minus 6 by 7 into, this is 9 actually write 3 square, and this is 3 by 7, okay, no problem. Now this is 4, you see 2 square, and this is just multiply, this is minus of 3 by 7, and this is 2 to the power 6 by 7. Just I convert the same base. And now you already solved this. This is 2 square means 4. This is, you know, 2 to the power 0 means 1. You know, a to the power 0 is 1. And this is plus, this is minus, and this is 2 half square. Okay, no problem. Just gradually, don't to be panic. Now, first one, this is very interesting. 3 to the power minus 6 by 7, and here into 3 to the power, here also 3 to just 6 by 7, no problem. Now this is all multiply, this is 2 to the power minus, so minus 3 to just 6 by 7, and here is 2 to the power 6 by 7, and this is ultimately, this is 4 ones are 5, 5 plus 4 ones are 5, and this is 1 by 2, 2 is 1 by 4. Now what is this now? 3 to the power minus 6 by 7, 3 to the power 6 by 7. Ultimately this is 3 to the power 0. 3 to the power 0, and this is 2 to the power minus 6 by 7 plus 7, so 2 to the power 0. And this is 4, 5, 20, 20, 21 by 4. Why this is 0? Why this is 0? Because this here 3 to the power minus 6 by 7, and this is, now when the base are same, power will be added. So this is cut. Minus 6 by 7 plus 3 by 7, 0. So in this way, clear? So same as this, 2 to the power minus 6 by 7, and this plus 6 by 7, 2 to the power 0. So this is ultimately, this is 1 by 21 by 4. So ultimately this is 4 by 21. This is the ultimate answer. 4 by 21. This is the ultimate answer. No problem, very easy. Just to understand the process properly, you do the sum in the right way. Okay. In this way, you solve all the sum. You just do in your home. Okay. Now, understand? This is the 3 and this is the 9. You just coming here, the base will be same. 9 means 3 square, you just write, and this is 3 by 7, this is 4, this is 2. What target you this? So this is 4 means 2 square. Why? Because the base are same, power will be added. Okay. For that reason, this is the target. Okay. And you solve it. Clear. No problem. Now the next sum. So this is the sum. All the sums are from the ML algebra. তোমাদের আমি এগুলো কেন দেখাচ্ছি? বিভিন্ন ধরনের অঙ্ক তোমরা করতে পারবে, যাতে তোমাদের কোনো প্রবলেম না হয়, সেই জন্য আমি এটা দেখাচ্ছি। Just you understand. Now the next sum. This is 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 49 n plus 2. This is n plus 2. Clear? Divided by brackets. This is 343 to the power n plus 1, and ultimately total bracket here is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. This is the sum. No problem. To be pairing, just you gradually increase in future. You know this is ultimately separate it. You know already the previous video. So right here 7 2n into 7 to the power 3. When base are same, power will be added. So 2n plus 3. Then you break it to 7 to the power 2n into 7 to the power 3. Because this is the 49, base will be same. Here you write 49, that means 7 square. And bracket, this is n plus 2. No problem. Clear? Now this is, you know, 343, that is the 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 49 into 7. This is 6 28 343. 343. So 343 means actually 7 to the power cube. 7 to the power cube. You write here 7 to the power cube, and this is 3 n plus 1. Okay. Now this is 2 by 3. No problem. Just to visualize. Self-confidence is very important thing. Okay. Now here 7, you write 7 to the power 2n, and your target is n part is out. 7 to the power 2n, 7 to the power 3 minus, this is 2n, 7 to the power 2n into, this is 2 to the 4, 7 to the power 4 by, this is ultimately, these are all multiplied. 7 to the 7 into 3, this is 8 n plus 1, and this is 2 by 3. Now this 2 by 3, 3 is cut. Okay, here is 7 to the power 2n is common. 7 to the power 2n from there is common. 7 to the, what is the left? 7 to the power 3. Okay, minus, here is left, 7 to the power 4 is left. And now this is cut. So now this 2 into n, 7 to the power 2n into 7, this is 2, 2 on the 2, 7 to the power square. Now this part or this part also cut. Okay, where is the n part is out. Now the ultimate is, this is 7 to the power cube minus 7 to the power 4, and this is 7 square. This is the ultimate thing. Okay. Now if 7 to the power 2 is common, here is 7 minus 7 square, and here is 7 to the power 2. So this is cut. Okay. This is a very interesting. You cannot calculate this. This 7 to the power 3, 7 into 7 into 7, Now minus 7 to the power 4, 7 into 7 into 7 into, you just not calculate. In case of indices and power, 7 to the power 3 means ki 7 into 7 into 7, 7 to the power 4 means 7 into 7 into 7. Hand down the lower part is 7 square, just to common this. So 1 7 is left and here is 2 7 is left. Now 7 to the power 7 cut. So what is the ultimate answer? This is 7 minus 7 7 49. So this is minus 42. Minus 42 is the answer. Minus 42 is the answer. Very interesting, son. Okay, just to understand the process. Okay, so in this way you do all the sum. আমি চেষ্টা করছি তোমাদের যে কোনো অঙ্ককে খুব সহজভাবে দেখানো যাতে তোমরা বুঝতে পারো, certain interest grow in your mind and you solve in your home. Oh, is very easy. The indice is very easy. You just interest grow. When the interest is low, you just concept must be clear. The maths is automatically right and you just solve in your home. Okay, so thank you student. Next day I will just upload the different types of video. Okay, so if you understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you student. Thank you.